Still managing physician compensation fair market value opinions with spreadsheets and scattered emails? It's time to bring FMV reviews, documentation, and approvals together in one seamless platform. FMV-MD is your all-in-one platform to simplify the FMV process. Start with a new submission. Enter the provider and compensation information. The platform handles the logic. Our algorithm instantly analyzes risk with color-coded results that illuminate what's driving the result, giving your team full transparency into the valuation process. Submissions that pass the system's FMV algorithm trigger an instant green FMV opinion letter. No analyst needed. For higher risk submissions, FMV-MD's proprietary algorithm streamlines processes by providing immediate expert guidance to structure arrangements in a compliant manner, consistent with FMV. Track every submission status in your work in progress dashboard. When it's time to update, pull prior submissions in seconds for a streamlined renewal process. FMV-MD empowers your organization with a standardized, efficient FMV process in one platform. And with over 15,000 physician arrangements completed, FMV-MD delivers the efficiency your team needs to move faster and smarter. See it in action. Schedule your personalized FMV-MD demo today.